other meat goes so well with this rum raisin sauce than ham. This one I bought at the store. It's already cooked, but I still want to put it in the oven to get it nice and warm and heat it up. Now for the fun stuff. I'm gonna be using brown sugar because brown sugar will make this sauce extra rich and deep. Add a little bit of mustard. Dijon mustard is made with white wine vinegar. Notice the trend? Grapes. Speaking of grapes, time for you little babies. Couple of those, and they're gonna just plump up and get nice and juicy. Well, I think I need a bit more freshness and acidity. I'm gonna spin it with some orange. It's important not to get the white pith. The pith is a bit bitter. But I'm not just gonna be using the zest. I'm also gonna be using the juice. Nothing better than fresh orange juice. Now, we need a bit of fun. Dark rum. I can smell the orange juice. The raisins, the sweetness, the rum is coming through. Lovely. Cornstarch. It is just wonderful for thickening up sauces, especially towards the end. The trick with this, never add hot water. It'll just clump up on you. So you should add cold water. Like magic, look how thick that is. Absolutely lovely. So for some extra richness, I'm gonna add a knob of butter. That's it. How simple was that? Look at that, nice and golden, hot. I know ham's gonna have that salty flavor, which is gonna go great with the sweet rum raisin sauce. All right, I think that's about enough. Finish it off with a bit of zing. That is a festive dish. There are so many raisins for you to be making this. This is so good. How did you get it? You saw how quick and easy was this to make. There wasn't like hours of simmering down anything. It just was so fast. You can make this any day of the week. Get a raisin. That's really lovely. You get the sweetness from the raisins and the brown sugar, but then you get the hint of orange, the rum, and that just goes so nicely with the nice, salty, warm ham. It really is a succulent dish. The pops of raisin, they're just such a nice surprise in your mouth. When you think of everything that's in this dish, how could it not taste good?